श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री गुरु चरणा पद्मं केवलभागाति सद्मं बंधमोये सावधाना माते जहारा प्रसादे बाय ए भवतो रिया जाय कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जहाँ होय थे। Yes, Krishna Prapti happens only Jahan is Krishna Premis. Bhagavatas are there, only there Krishna Prapti happens. Who will give us the vision? Huh? Just because I read Sri Bhagavan Vacha, I get the vision? Nahi, 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 nahi. That is FYI. When the vision is given, then you will hear. Really hear Bhagavan Vacha. Ah, Bhagavan, yes, yes, yes. So Krishna Prapti hota. Jaha hoite. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyakyam Arana Koriho Mani Asha. What Asha does anybody have? No. Nobody will have any other Asha other than this. Gurumukha Padma Vakya Chitate Koriyakyam. See, for us to be brought out of these modes, the Bhagavatas, our Gurujana, oh, they try so hard. They give us the instruction. They engage us in the seva. ये पकड़ते तो instruction को पकड़ना, सेवा को पकड़ना. No matter what, yes, your instruction is my ajnanatimirandasya jnananjana shalakaya. The seva you have given is, that is the one that is going to pick me out of these modes, from this tribhir gunamayir bhavaya. Specifically, our Gurujanas, when they are giving an instruction, when they are giving a seva, it picks us out of the modes. There is no other way. Just because I read the scriptures, oh, I will be tribhir, past the tribhir gunamayir bhavaya. Nahi. So it is the instruction of our Gurujanas and the seva that they engage us in, dear devotees. That's the one that picks us out. And then as they pick us out with this instruction and seva, ये आचार्य वाणी होता है, शब्द ब्रह्मण होता है. In that light, that's when happens Om Ajnananda Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya. वहीं पे only like that it will happen. Not with this mind, not with this intelligence, nothing of us. We don't have to look at ourselves. There is nothing from us that can cause this Jnananjana Shalakaya. It has to be from them. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyakyam Arana Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamagati. This Guru Vandana, these prayers. Without this Bhagavan, how can Bhagavan be a reality for us? श्री गुरु चरणे रति ऐसे उत्तम गति, यहाँ है उत्तम गति प्राप्ति करने के लिए. Is the charana of Shri Guru that gives उत्तम गति, not in the mind, not in the upper chamber. नहीं, वहां पे नहीं. Charana of Shri Guru, वाणी, instruction, seva of Shri Guru. उत्तम गति, perfect destination. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्म प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित हो. प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाश जाते वेद गाया हर चरित हो where there is prema bhakti they give us prema bhakti this gaura priyajanas is this prema bhakti going to fall from the sky? No. Is it going to be generated from this mind? No. From this intelligence? No. From this self-centeredness? Definitely no. From where then? Where can this prema bhakti come from then? Uh, from these premi bhaktas, gaura priyajanas, from them. So we have to be filled with them. Then prema bhakti jahan hoite avidya vinasha jate. That's why Vedagaya Hara Charit, all the Vedas are glorifying the Sadhu Guru like that. Mm. Mm. Vedagaya Hara Charito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adama Janara Bandhu Loknath Lokera Jivana Ah Prabhu Korodaya Deh More Pada Chayam Ebijash Kushutri Bhuvana. We should not be with our mind. We should be with Shri Guru. Because he is Adama Janara Bandhu. ये माइंड तो आधमा बनाते हैं हमको हम लोगों को माइंड आधमा बनाते हैं if we are with the mind it will make us adama if we are with Shri Guru then they make us uttama हे बेजाश कुशु त्रिभुवाना Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoilo Sharana Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva. We belong to Srila Prabhupada. We belong to our Gurudevas. We are not anathas. And we are superly sanathas. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Vaishnavas are not ordinary. Not ordinary. They are desire-fulfilling trees. They are dear to Krishna. Bound down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head, dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli, tahe mora snana keli, torpan mora Vaishnavera nama. In Bhakti, ये तो डिसेंडिंग मर्सी है टॉप टू बॉटम डिसेंडिंग मर्सी है every anga of bhakti every practice that is given to us in bhakti be it be pranam matra or bowing down or doing the pranati to vaishnavas everything ये तो descending mercy है when we are in the modes we may not feel anything we may not see anything that is there in descending mercy but we are hearing though सिर्फ वो करना है ओ आई हियर दिस आई डोंट फील इट आई कैंट सी इट बट आई हियर दिस सो लेट मी डू दिस ओके वांछा कल्पता रुपयश्च आई डोंट फील एनीथिंग इनसाइड लेकिन करो सुन रहे हैं ना हम लोग आचार्य सिंह जस्ट डू इट करना है टेक द मेडिसिन bow down even if you feel like bowing down or not bow down वांछा कल्पता रुपयश्च हरे कृष्ण करो तो सही take the medicine because it is given by the acharyas take it the same medicine will become nectar. मेडिसिन तो लेना है ना, पहले करना है ना, मेडिसिन तो लेना है ना. If we stay away from this, we don't stay away from the medicine. We like it or not, take the medicine. It will become nectar on its own accord, out of causeless mercy. The same medicine will taste yummy when we bow down. Oh, we feel blissful when we say chant, when we chant. Oh, so this is Krishna. Aata hai. When they give, they will give us. They let them give us on their own accord, their sweet will. It is theirs. Make honor. How can I say, okay, you give me now? ऐसे नहीं, मेडिसिन तो लेना है. And the same medicine will be nectar. वैष्णवेरा पादधूली ताहि मोर स्नान केली अर्पण मोरा वैष्णवेर नामा धन मोर नित्यानंद पति मोर गौरचंद्र प्राण मोर युगल किशोर. And they are seeing it, they are feeling it, and they will give it. We will feel what they feel. Let that happen when it has to happen. Let's take the medicine. Gratefully, yes, let's take the medicine. And then gradually, this medicine will turn into nectar as they bring us to the groves of Vrindavana. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyaye Priyaye Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Then the Tulsi Devi doesn't look like a little plant sitting in the pot. Oh, no, 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 no. There's a forest, groves of Vrindavana hai. Tulsi Krishna Prayasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao Vei Abhilashi. Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi. Kripa Kori Koro Tare Vrindavana Vasi. Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayane Haribo Sadha Yukala Ruparahasi Aini Vedana Dharo Sakira Nugata Koro. Whoa, Sakira Nugata Koro. Ese. If we just leave the body, then we wake up and then we see the groves of Vrindavana and the Sakira Nugati Seva continues. Now, we hear this every day in the morning prayers. Sakira Nugata Koro Sevadi Karo Dio Koro Nichadasi. As it has to ring in our ears, ring in our heart the whole day. Sakira Nugata Koro. We shouldn't be hearing anything. Bas ye. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Sakira Nugata Koro, please. We shouldn't hear this mind. We shouldn't hear this chaos. कुछ भी नहीं. दीन कृष्ण दासे होय ये न मोरा होय श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेम सदा ये न बासी. यानि कानि च पापानि ब्रह्म हत्यादिकानि च तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे.